Listening to a great song on Spotify and want to share it with your friends? You're in luck. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to share songs from Spotify to your Instagram story. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Spotify app and start playing the song you want to share. Then tap the share icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Instagram Stories. Now you can add a filter, text, or stickers if you'd like. When you're ready to post it, tap Your Story at the bottom of your screen. When your friends watch your story, they can tap Play on Spotify in the top left corner to listen to the song on the Spotify app on their own device. That's all it takes to share songs from Spotify to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below. Check out TechBoomers.com for over 100 free courses on all of today's most popular websites and apps.